wanted, he really liked it, but I bet he just wanted you to be able to take a look at it.
Candy.
What's in your basket?
Candy.
What's in your basket, Oliver?
There's more candy in there? No way.
2. I got 2. More candy. Did he find these Easter eggs at our house?
Oh, I bet he already had some. I don't know.
Tax time.
You know what? Time for jelly beans. Do you know what? Hey, he gave
I
know where the 1 books to read.
What? Are those good ones to read, Monica?
And I know where these eggs are from. These eggs are from the Easter Bunny's house.
What else is in your basket, Oliver? Just candy?
Too busy eating candy.
I think next year he's gonna hide it on me.
I think you might be right.
Okay.
Well, if he hides it on me, it'll be easy.
You think so?
See, I told you he was right. Real.